They left, or maybe you were the one who had to walk away. Either way, they're not in your life anymore and it hurts. But what if Allah removed them because they were blocking your growth? Assalamu alaikum. This is Mariam and you're listening to the Tawakkul Path, where we stop romanticizing losses and start understanding them. Sometimes we beg Allah to keep someone in our life, but we never ask, Ya Allah, are they good for my akhirah? For example, they made you happy, but they also distracted you from prayer. You stayed up texting, but couldn't wake up for Fajr. Example 2, they gave you attention, but they also made you insecure. You started doubting yourself, changing yourself. Example 3, you felt attached, but deep down you knew this connection was pulling away from who you wanted to become, and still you begged Allah not to take them away, but Allah sees what you don't. Allah says, perhaps you love a thing and it is bad for you, and perhaps you hate a thing and it is good for you, and Allah knows while you know not. Read that slowly. You love it. Allah knows it harms you. You hate losing it. Allah knows it saves you. Removal is not always punishment. Sometimes it's protection. Sometimes it's redirection. Sometimes it is mercy in disguise. You are crying because you lost someone. But what if Allah is saying, I removed them so you could find yourself again? Not every goodbye is a tragedy. Some goodbyes are answered du'as you didn't understand yet. And if they were truly written for you, they would not have to fight to stay. What Allah writes for you does not require you to beg. So instead of asking, why did they leave? Ask, what is Allah teaching me through this? Trust the removal, trust the silence, trust the redirection. Because when Allah removes someone from your life, He is never taking from you without replacing it with something better, even if you cannot see it yet. This is the Tawakkul Path, and what Allah protects you from is sometimes greater than what He gives you.